Okay, so this is the ceramic fan heater. It comes with its instruction manuals. So basically you just have to plug it in and then it turns on. It gives this a red light and then it's ready to use. These are the control buttons at the top. Underneath there is the same button right here. I think this is the safety, which I'll show you in a second. Basically when this is not on the ground, as in when it turns over, it'll cause the red light to turn off. So to turn it on, first you have to turn the temperature knob a little bit until you hear the clip, because it's all the way at the minus side. So you just turn it a little bit and you'll hear a click. Because if you try to turn it on, it's not gonna work on any setting because the temperature isn't even turned. So you turn it on and you turn this temperature knob until you hear the clip, and then you can turn it on. And so the fan is on, and then depending on what you need, you can turn it on. The first setting for the heater and the second setting for the heater, and then if it's not on a level surface, like I said, it turns off. So pretty good, and it does heat up the room. It's very nice.
This heater is the best heater I've ever purchased. It heats up the room. It'll oscillate if you want it to. It has a timer on it. It has a mechanism on it that if it tilts or if it's not level, then it won't come on. Safety measure, but it's a great heater. My wife and I love it. You want to heat up a room, or it's like sitting by a campfire. It's great. Purchased on Amazon. It's one of the best gifts I ever bought. You should try one.
If you listen closely, you can hear the timer going off. But as you can see, it's not orange. There's no heat coming out. It's on. It worked amazing. 10 months. Just keep an eye on that. But that's all you're going to get out of it.
It works very good. Very, very good.